Welcome to YS Online. Ako po is Dice and I am your sensei for today. Last lesson, we learned the nai form and how to conjugate it to the verb naide kudasai, verb nakereba narimasen, and nakute mo ii desu. We learned these forms to make some sentences. In today's lesson, we will learn what we called the plain present positive of the masu form, also known as the dictionary form. This is the form used in most Japanese dictionaries and translation tools when we look for verbs in Japanese. Just like we mentioned in our previous lessons, the conjugation of the verb depends on which group it belongs to. If you'd like a refresher on verb groups, check out our lesson 14 videos or the links in the description box below. Make sure to take notes and feel free to pause or rewind a little bit if you need some more clarifications. So, are you guys ready for today's lesson?
Let's go.
Alright, so for our lesson today, we will be conjugating our verbs from the masu form to the dictionary form, or the jisho form in Japanese. Madali lang to, promise. Now, have you ever tried searching for single words in the dictionary? If you're watching this video, I assume that you have. When you search for the word to drink, you will find nomu. In this instance, nomu is the dictionary form of nomimasu. So nomimasu is the polite form. Let's start with group 1 verbs. Kung naalala ninyo, sa group na ito ay ang mga verbs na natatapos sa i sound. Ang gagawin natin dito is papalitan natin ito sa corresponding u sound niya. Gaya ng itinuro naming technique sa nakaraang lesson, gagamitin natin ito para mas mapadali ang conjugation natin. So, meron tayong a, i, u, e, o. So, meron tayong 5 lines sa Hiragana chart, right? Ang A line ay tinatawag natin itong nai form. Ang E line naman ay ang masu form. Our U line is our dictionary form. Now, our E and O lines ang wag mo muna nating pansinin yan. So, gagamitin natin ito sa ating conjugations for and for. But, for today, para makakonjugate ng dictionary form sa group 1 na ang E line, so that's I, ki, gi, shi, chi, ni, bi, mi, and di. First, we're gonna have to change these to their corresponding U line. So, I becomes U, ki becomes ku, gi becomes gu, shi becomes su, chi becomes tsu, ni becomes nu, bi, bu, mi, mu, and di, du. So, what do I mean by this? Let's try an example. Let's try to conjugate araimasu, to wash, right? First step is to drop masu, so we're left with the verb stem arai. Then, papalitan natin ang i ng u. So, we're going to be left with arau. Arau, to wash. And there you have it. The dictionary form for araimasu, or to wash, is arau. Let's take another example. Hikimasu. Hikimasu, right? Which is to play a stringed instrument like a guitar, no? Gaya ng steps na ginawa natin kanina, drop masu and change ki to ku, so we have hiku. Hikimasu for masu form, hiku for dictionary form. So, you guys ready to hear some hikimasu? 1, 2, 3, 4. I set fire to the rain. So that's it for group 1 verbs. Now let's move on to the group 2 verbs. So for group 2 verbs, these verbs end with the e line. So that's e, ke, ge, se, be, de, te, de, ne, me, and also includes special E-line verbs like abimasu, to bathe, imasu, to be or to exist, orimasu, to get off, okimasu, to wake up, dekimasu, to be able to do, mimasu, to look or to see, karimasu, to borrow, and kimasu, to come. Gaya nga ng sinabi natin sa mga nakaraang lessons natin, itong group ay madali siyang i-conjugate. Why? Because all we have to do is drop masu and add ru. So basically with a word like stemasu, to throw away, sundan lang ang rule ng conjugation sa group na ito. Simply drop the masu from stemasu and add ru, giving us the final dictionary word steru. Suteru. Steru. Let's try another example. Dekimasu, to be able to do. Again, drop masu, add ru, and we have dekiru. Dekiru. Dekiru! Alright, last group. Group 3 verbs are the irregular verbs shimasu, to do, kimasu, to come, and noun plus shimasu, or to do noun. Ang dictionary form ng shimasu ay suru. Yung dictionary form ni kimasu is kuru. And for noun plus shimasu, papalitan lang natin ang shimasu. So magiging noun plus suru. For example, unten shimasu, right? Unten shimasu, which is to drive. So to change this back to its dictionary form, first we keep unten, then we change shimasu to suru, and for the dictionary form we have unten suru. Unten suru. Beep, beep. Subukan naman natin ito. Motte kimasu, to bring. We will just change kimasu to kuru, so magiging motte kuru siya. Motte kuru. Alright, so ang dali ng lesson natin ngayon, no? Make sure you guys have all of this in your notes because this is important. Puro conjugations lang tayo for now, so kayo naman, try to conjugate these following words into the dictionary form. Are you ready? Nakushimasu, to lose. Atsumemasu, to collect, gather. And yoyakushimasu, to reserve, or to make a reservation, right? Write down your answers in the comment section below. Make sure na kabisado ninyo ang mga conjugations na ito dahil sa next part natin, gagamitin natin ito para gumawa tayo ng sentences. Alright? So, stay tuned to our next video. We're going to start using these verbs in their dictionary form or casual form in making some new sentences. That's it for us at YS Online today. For YS Online, my name is Dice. Ja, mata ne! Thank you very much for watching, guys. As always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who might be interested to learn more about the Japanese language. For all of our full YS Online members out there, we have quizzes and other review materials for you to go through para ma-absorb nyo ang mga natututunan ninyo sa mga lessons natin dito. We update these constantly, so be sure to keep taking those quizzes and really absorb all of the learnings from all of your lessons, right? If you're interested in becoming a full member for our online program, be sure to check us out at www.ysnlc.com. We're waiting to hear from you. We're very excited to show you what we've got, and we will be waiting for you guys to reach out to us. Thank you very much.